I just closed up those vents there on the brooder. We leave those open during the daytime to get some good airflow in there, but I'm closing them up tonight. I don't know how cold it's going to get, but I'm not going to use the heat lamps there in the brooder tonight. I need them to get ready to go on pasture in a couple of days, so I don't like to take them out of a brooder with heat lamps and put them right on pasture. So I like to give them a couple of days, get acclimated, get used to not using the heat lamps, and so this tonight will be their first night with no heat lamps. But I think they got plenty of feathers on them. I think they've got enough to keep them warm, and I think they should be fine. Ironman. Where you at, Jason? Samuel? Can you see the new chickens? Yeah, let's go see the new chickens.
Yeah.
We're headed down today to go get the chicken tractor ready for our broilers that are about to come out of the brooder. So want to get the chicken tractor ready to go and make sure it's good to go.
Take a video.
What'd you say, Sammy?
Take a video, yo. What?
Well, I am happy to report that we got this table cleaned off, as you can tell. What y'all doing? Ping pong.
Yep.
Playing ping pong.
Yep.
Is that his daddy's phone?
Oh, I don't know if they call that playing ping pong.
You can't put that in there. It barely bounced over the net.
Where's the ball?
Sam, it fell off.
In here?
No, where did it go? It fell off right here. No, it didn't.
Well, that was a short ping pong game because now they can't find the ping pong ball.
It's under here somewhere. It literally just fell off.
Close. I'm going to lift him up. Whoa.
What about it, Samuel? Where's the new rooster?
Did you see that?
I saw it. New rooster.
Dad, can we go inside now?
Yeah, you can go in there.
Okay, that one.
Want to go in there, Samuel? Samuel, want to go inside there?
Which one do I take off?
Yeah. Plug one of them into this. There we
And lift over.
go. Go, Samuel. So we've got work to do on this. We got to get this thing out of here, make sure it's ready to go, and we'll get the dolly over here and get this thing going. That's what I was looking for. There's the feed trough that we use for the chicken shelter right here. Let's take it back out. You having fun? You know what this means? We're grilling tonight. Grilling pork chops, I think is what Karen said. Grilling pork chops.